Becoming a parent is a life-changing journey, and when your newborn finally arrives, you want to be ready for everything. At Milk Moments USA, we're here to guide you through the most important newborn baby care essentials every parent should have on hand. Let's dive right in. 1. Diapers and wipes. First things first, you're going to need a lot of diapers. Whether you choose disposable or cloth diapers, make sure you stock up before your baby comes home. Pair them with sensitive, fragrance-free wipes to protect your newborn's delicate skin. Trust us, you'll be changing more diapers than you ever imagined. 2. Onesies and sleepwear. Comfort is key for newborns. Soft, breathable onesies and cozy sleepers are essentials. Look for options that snap or zip easily for those late-night changes. Also, remember newborns can go through multiple outfits in a day thanks to spit-ups and diaper leaks. 3. Swaddle blankets and sleep sacks. Newborns love the cozy feeling of being swaddled. Swaddle blankets or easy-to-use sleep sacks provide comfort and help reduce the startle reflex that can wake them up. This is one of the secrets to better sleep for both baby and parents. 4. Feeding supplies. Whether you're breastfeeding, bottle feeding, or a combination of both, having the right supplies makes a huge difference. Essentials include bottles, nipples, formula if needed, burp cloths, and a comfortable nursing pillow. Breastfeeding moms might also consider a good breast pump and storage bags for expressed milk. 5. Baby bathing essentials. Bath time with a newborn can be tricky at first. You'll need a baby bathtub, gentle baby wash, soft washcloths, and fluffy towels. Choose products designed for sensitive newborn skin to avoid irritation. 6. Crib and safe sleep setup. A safe sleep environment is non-negotiable. You'll need a crib or bassinet that meets current safety standards, a firm mattress, and fitted sheets. Avoid extra bedding, pillows, and stuffed animals in the crib, safety first. 7. Car seat. A properly installed, rear-facing car seat is an absolute must. It's legally required for hospital discharge in many places. Take the time to learn how to install it correctly or have it inspected by a professional. 8. Baby health and grooming kit. Smart to have a baby health kit ready. This typically includes a digital thermometer, baby nail clippers, nasal aspirator, soft bristled hairbrush, and gentle baby lotion. Having these items at your fingertips will make minor health concerns much easier to handle. 9. Pacifiers and teethers. Some newborns find pacifiers incredibly soothing. Keeping a few on hand can help with calming your baby between feedings or during naps. Teethers will come in handy later as your baby grows. 10. Diaper bag. You'll need a well-organized diaper bag for outings. Fill it with diapers, wipes, an extra outfit, bottles, a pacifier, and anything else your baby might need while you're out and about. Final thoughts. Preparing for a newborn doesn't have to be overwhelming. Focus on the basics and build your stash of essentials gradually. At Milk Moments USA, we believe that having the right tools can make your parenting journey smoother, more joyful, and a lot less stressful. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and support from Milk Moments USA. We're with you every step of the way.